Yeah, good. Watch bright light.
Big girl, every time West because Jamaica.
And I do not care. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Arianne and we're starting off a new weekend vlog. Say hi. The full mouth. So if you're not new here, you would have noticed that I've been doing weekend vlogs. I don't have the capacity for weekly vlogs because your girl got a 9 to 5 between the 9 to 5 times. So yeah, I'm starting off a new weekend vlog. So happy Friday, and it is a Father's Day weekend. On a totally unrelated note, if you watch my last vlog, you would have heard me saying my hat that I had before was being talked about, and it was said that I need to get a new hat. So basically I was bullied into getting a new hat. I was bullied. I don't support bullying on this channel, but then a friend bullied me. Him bullied me. Anyways, I have a new hat. This time I have black, but you guys are gonna be seeing these hats a lot because I'm your girl. I can't be bothered with the wigs. Yeah, no. Anyways, so as I said before, it's Friday. Right now I'm just chilling, waiting for Brady. Then I'm gonna go and grab him, then heading to Zara because Zara is having their spring summer sale. I didn't really see anything that I needed on the website, but I just wanted to browse and see if there's anything that would struck a nerve and I would get it. But yeah, I'm heading out to Zara. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Other than that, I don't really have anything else planned for the rest of the night. As I said before, it's after 7, so it's quite late. So if, after we go to Zara and all of that, I don't think I'll have much to do. Then probably tomorrow in the morning, I'm gonna see if I can find out if my gym does yoga. I doubt it, but if they do, I think I want to do something like yoga, something not too clean, but more do something. If not, then we'll go for a walk. Yeah, that's really what's going on. So let me know in the comments how you guys are doing, how life is going. Without saying anything, I know life is lifing, but let's stay positive. And you know, it'll get better. That's what I keep telling myself. So I'm sure you guys can affirm yourself or reaffirm yourselves of the same thing. So yeah, that's that. I feel like I've been talking for a bit. So yeah, if I don't check back in anytime soon, I'll see you guys at the mall. Okay, see you guys at the mall. How am I supposed to tell you? No, in this a chaotic. It's chaotic in here. I'm gonna cut out for you. That's some here. So we are leaving Zara because though there might be things in there, I mean, it's too chaotic for my liking. And Brady works. Brady didn't have the patience to sift through nothing. So basically we left empty-handed, and that's fine because probably we didn't need anything that's in there. It was simply wants, and yeah, we didn't get anything. So I don't know. Plus it was almost time for it to be closed. Like it closes at 9. I know it's 8:55, so even if we wanted to just browse a little bit more, they're gonna close soon, so we couldn't do that. Okay, so it's a little bit later, like an hour and a half later, 2 hours. So we're on Eglinton Avenue, which is Jerk Chicken Central, and we're about to go get some jerk chicken. I haven't had authentic jerk chicken in a minute, so let's go see what it's hitting for. Okay. Why every time we come by Eglinton, we walk at the different chicken shops. Why Jamaican people say so? Why we got the one we're full of?
Because.
You mean some?
Yeah, I don't want to always go, right?
Right?
Yeah.
The line that is long. Yeah, always. You pay first, right?
I think so.
A good picture that. Beautiful princess. Yeah, the big grill, Eglinton West, Liquor Jamaica. Went to
Yeah, man. Okay. One this too. Okay.
We are back home. It's almost 12 o'clock, guys. But I'm still gonna rip up the jerk chicken because I'm hungry. So I'll have to pray that my back don't get no bigger. But let me see how the food look. What is it giving? Eh? What does that give? No, if me eat have this some craving too. Bam! With some pestini. And the man have a big plate of rice and peas. Beneath. And you know what's the jerk chicken without the thing? A big back recipe this, you know? Bombats. Anyways, my gosh, man. My gosh, man. Oh, I got sick of the score. Let's see. You know more one nice piece of Thai. Okay, man, I love like that. I'm not open. I was jerk seasoning. To the bone. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it. Like so jerk chicken for look. Like, not just jerk spice and that's a beef chicken with jerk spice. You see them festival I know. Why them big so? Big your fun. The festival here feel more like dumpling though. I don't know, but I could see it taste. Not my favorite. Just like dumpling. That's dumpling, that's not really. That's You can pass a straw for me, please. Thank you very much. Right now it's giving J-Nice. Should have proud of me.
That kind of good.
Make sure no one sit down and say all night and watch me eat. So I'm gonna eat a few more pieces. And go to bed to sleep good tonight. I will see you guys in the morning. Go. Yee. 1, 2, 3. Whee. Okay, go now. Your turn. Be careful. I know children have no respect for your things. So Chaz will just walk and box this right over and just have to just deal with it. They don't be giving two shits about nothing. We're just here chilling. This is our Saturday. Don't much not one. But I'm gonna jump on one of them swing guy like a big child. I could see what can go on now. So I'm dressed. and I'm ready to meet up with the girls. Yeah, we're going to this art bar, and then I have on this top. This is from Zara. This necklace is from Winners. This one is from Zara. My watch that I wear all the time. Then these 3 of these bracelets are from Shein, and then the link one in the center, that's from Ana Luisa. So yeah, that's the look, and I used 1 single palette for this eye makeup. Like, it is giving, it is giving. So you guys will see this full look, and I hope you guys show it some love, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But anyways, I'm about to try to go get a few pics in, then I'm gonna head to Makini's, and then yeah, that's it for the day. I'll check in with you guys. Say hi, pretty lady. Okay guys, so we are at the Canvas Art Bar. We're upstairs on their patio. It's really just a chill vibe. It's not anything extravagant or whatever. So we're just chilling for now. We're gonna order, you know, our bubbly already. We like to order with bubbly. So that's what we're gonna do soon. Yeah, girl. Guys, I went all the way home back for my phone, and Brady was not happy about it. So as I was saying, I had to go back home for my phone because I forgot it, and Brady was not happy about it, but too bad. It's not giving at all. Them supposed to have a live DJ, and right now at this way here, come like Sunday evening at Jamaica. Like, be for real. What is this? What is this? So at this we downtown now, no, down there got jiggy. So Brady, you know, remember I tell you about the car show where him say he want to go, and I said I still not have no Father's Day. I can't buy the car show, but I never keep on. I hear him on the phone today. I said to somebody, said, no, I never get to go to the car show. You know, tomorrow Father's Day. You know? But so I schedule the dinner so that we can go to the car show first and then go to the dinner after. That's our new restaurant, hopefully it's nice. Name AP Restaurant. Yeah, goods, watch bright light. No, goods cock up, you know? Goods cock up. You there, girl? No, the music here is killing me. A nap time, girl. We start playing my own music, you know. I want to take a chill vibe still, but them can play better music. And we're waiting for the little truffle fries from when.
For the same time I booked my ticket, but more. I booked my dad's, and I was like, I'm
Right now everyone is staring and I do not care. I care zero. Say hi, Chaz. Say hello, vloggy vlog. Hey guys, so we're heading out for dinner, and yeah, remember that little thing that we talked about yesterday? Yeah, we're heading there. So yeah, we're all dressed, and I know I'm a little match. So we are matched up. We never really planned for matching. Brady did that wear one outfit, and then somehow we just ended up matching. This top is from SHIN. My shorts are from Zara. So yeah, we're about to head out now. So I will check in with you guys, I guess, once we are where we're going. Guys, Toronto has got to have the worst frigging traffic ever. Like a 20-something minute drive is like over an hour, and I had to tell Brady that we were going to the car show, and I don't know if we're gonna make it in time. Hopefully they don't you know, move all the cars. I tell them that they can't be there anymore because it's supposed to end at 5, and no, it's like 4:24 and we're not gonna get there in time, and then our other reservation is at 5:30. So I don't know, and I'm trying my best not to get upset about stuff like this, because it's all the freaking time, all the time. It's nothing new, to be honest. I'm one P. I am sick of this shit. Anyways, the traffic is at a standstill. Real, like we're parked at this point. Yep, we are parked. This is not fun. Okay guys, so Brady did get to see a little bit of the car show, and now we're at AP restaurant. It's Antonio Park restaurant, and it has a great view of Toronto. Actually, if we were on that side, the view would be even better, but on this side they can see more than 2 people. So yeah. And Brady, do you like it?
Yeah.
Your allergies are acting up?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Hi. Charles is sending me to the queue.
I have the rock shrimp tempeh.
Wait. Cut. Here. Hi my loves, we are back home and it was a good day. I think Brady really enjoyed it. So as you, well, he said he really enjoyed it. Okay. So yeah, so what we did was a little bit of the car show, and then we went to AP restaurant, which is Antonio Park's restaurant. It has a gorgeous view, so we did that, and then we just got back home. So yeah, this is the end of this weekend's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As usual, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload, and I appreciate you always, and we will chit chat in the next video. Bye.